recipe. So today I am going to be showing what I did tonight. And tonight was camp out day, and I didn't have to go outside because it was raining. So let me show you what the tent looks like. It's going to be dark, so let me turn on some lights. So you have this light.
Where's this light? Don't do that light.
Okay, so I got this light so I can show you guys.
That makes it light a little.
Okay, so they you guys make it another light. I just okay.
That light is for the tent too.
Okay, so there we go, 2 lights. So we wanted to say that we'll give you a little toy of our little thing, Okay, so I put you guys on pause. So now let me just show you guys what it looks like. Okay, Rocky, what do you think the house is gonna have some rooms in it? So he said a scary story place and a sleeping place and an eating place, because all he likes to do is eat. Anyways, Rocky, will put you back where you were. So now, all my mother was trying to tell me was something about don't have to put my head on top. Because this thing is right there. Well, under the table, literally. So here's our little bed, some blanket. We have some blanket here.
My side.
And then we have some pillow right here. We have right there. And then we have
The
scary stories. It's kind of hard to hold you guys. Scary stories.
And you have to have the coloring.
Little coloring thing.
That you can change it.
Maybe we can color. Let me just get some Rocky. So Rocky is back. And I think he looks cute. And I have this toy. Let me show you. So guys, here's my doll. That's why I went to pause you guys. This is my little doll. A lot of people might think she's creepy.
Yeah, because she actually is.
And sometimes, I don't know why I might think she's creepy, but sometimes at night we hear some rumbling.
Yeah,
And like every time we check in the closet, we see like sometimes she takes one step back, like one step somewhere else, away or anything.
And we think that she is real.
So now, that's all I have for today. Rocky, what do you think the next video is gonna be? A prank challenge. Another prank. And I'm going to be starting this new thing where I make every video Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But sometimes I kind of won't do it on Wednesdays, I think. Or Mondays. I don't know, sure. But bye, guys. Stay fun. Oh, well, not stay fun. But